be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Rob TV, and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing video. Alright, now I won't lie to you. I've been sitting on this one for a few weeks. Okay, Nike gave me a second chance. There was a second chance drop on this shoe. I want to say this was 3 weeks ago. Let me grab the iPhone. Let me check it out here. I want to say this was about 2 to 3 weeks ago. Let me check sneakers for when I purchased this. This was 2 weeks ago. No, that's when I got them here. So this was a little over 2 weeks ago. This was on the 24th of September is when I was able to cop these, okay? So September 24th is when I copped. They got here 3 days later. So I've had them for about 2 weeks. But I'll be honest with you. Kind of haven't felt like doing sneaker videos recently. So that's kind of why I hadn't gotten to this video. But we're here. We'll go ahead and knock this out. And let's talk about it, man, because this shoe, I originally passed on it when it came out. I didn't even attempt to really try for it. I don't remember. Because I have this shoe. Alright. Yes, these are mids. Yes, I like mids. I know it's not the cool thing to like mids, but these are mids. And when I saw the shoe that's in the box, I said, man, do you really need another yellow and black Wu-Tang Killer Bees Jordan 1? You have these already. You don't need those because these are yellow and black. All right, yellow bottoms, yellow toe box. I really like these. These are hard right here. Nice materials on these. Look at that. Look at that nice nubuck all around. Shoe was great. This one's great. All right, but I looked at this and I said, I don't need these because I have this shoe. All right, but let's go ahead and get into what's in the box. Without showing my address, look at this. This box comes from Nike. This is a Nike box to cover up my address. But you see there's no Nike branding, there's no swoosh, there's no tape, there's no nothing that says that this is from Nike. That's dope. We need this all the time. We need this kind of box all the time, Nike. Man, stop putting your logo on it and then people jack you because they see the swoosh. All right, but here you are. Let's get that box out of here. Boom. Yellow and black Jordan 1 box. Switched up the colors for this one. They don't do this all the time. Like when it was the Royals, I didn't get a black and blue box. But they made these special. Okay? These are the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Alright? Colorway is Pollen, white, and black. Alright? Size 14, of course, on these bad boys. Hopefully you all can see that with the lighting. 14 there. Alright? So let's go ahead and get into these, man. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Rob TV. Woo, man, that is a different kind of yellow right there. Left shoe first, baby. Whoo. Yes, sir. Now that is a good looking shoe right there. That is a quality Jordan 1. Man, oh man. That is top-notch quality right there. That is some good premium. Without even taking the shoe, is it paper? The shoe tree, let's take it out. Without even taking it out before, you can see that the quality on this shoe is top-notch. Look at that toe box area. Top-notch. I don't know what I was thinking when I said I don't need these because I got these. That is two completely different, yo. I was tripping. I'll go ahead and admit to you all right now that I was tripping. Yes, these are still good to have. These are still good to have, and these are very dope. I still like these. I'm still gonna rock these. But man, that's two different yellows. Those are two different shoes. These are two different shoes. This is almost a gold in comparison. This is like a neon yellow. But this is that yellow right here. Man, that is some good quality material. It's not the softest in the yellow, but it's still pretty soft. I even like how, like, that looks like a premium cut in the front where the stitching and everything is. This looks like it's freshly cut leather. Like, these don't look like they're ones that were made. They probably were made last year, but man, this is a nice cut. You got your yellow laces on the inside here, your pollen laces, nice tongue there with the Nike Air and the swoosh at the top as normal there. Nike Air and the swoosh, black, yellow on the back, typical Jordan 1 patch with all the information there. Let's push that back. On the inside, you have your black insole with your pollen yellow Nike Air logo and your size tag there. All right, very nice, man. It's a very nice material. Nice soft leather going around the back in that black. You got your tumbled leather elsewhere here. Some nice little bit of tumbledness there. Same as what the toe box is. White midsole on these bad boys. Typical Jordan 1 fashion on that. And then on the bottom, you got that yellow. Now it's a bit lighter of a yellow, it looks like. Just slightly. Just slightly. Boom. Boom. It's just a slight difference in the yellows. But you have your Nike there. Man. Glad that I was able to get these on the second chance. I did not mention your Air Jordan Wings logo there. Very nice. I was looking around for another pair of Jordan 1s. A pair of Jordan 1 OG highs. Let's pull these bad boys out for a comparison. Yeah. Yeah. These are too sweet as well. But man, these actually might be better than this. Did I say a shoe is better than the royal color for me? These royal toes are hard. Haven't thrown them on yet. These are still DS. But these joints right here, these pollen joints, man, these are hard, man. These are hard body. Glad that Nike gave me the second chance to reconsider my mistakes. They said, Rob, we know that you thought that you had a shoe that was similar, but let us tell you for real that they're not similar. They're not similar at all. Not similar at all. So yeah, these are gonna have to get laced up and added to the rotation for sure because these are just too sweet. All right. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. Did I mention the laces? White laces, black laces come with the shoes. I don't know. I think I mentioned the yellow ones. And I will holler at you all in the next video. Peace.